Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Full moon, look at that. Morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Rarely I get these moments. Yeah, nowadays it's early in the morning, guys, and I'm hiking off to one of my favorite fishing spots. Somebody's on it already. Looks like these guys been going at it all morning. Yeah, there's somebody out there. Let's see what's popping. Jamaican shore fishing. You know us already. Traveling light. Yeah, guys. You got the snooks and tarpons that run around this time in the morning here, guys. And my rod is ready. Yeah, it's low tide, guys. Water's crystal clear this morning. You gotta be careful I don't step in horse dung on the hunt this morning, guys. I see birds sitting out there. Hell yeah, I'm coming. Morning, guys. How you doing? You guys alright? See any action out here since morning? No big fish splashing around. Okay. I'm hunting. As usual. Yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me get my gaff down here and see if I can reach out here. Water's still kind of, light's not up yet, so I'm gonna have to probably change this lure to a light colored lure. Something more white, something light colored. Can't use this dark colored now. Makes no sense. Oh my god. Is it me or is it a little bit chilly this morning? Hey Russ. What? I said, is it me or is it a little bit chilly this morning? Yeah, man. If it's chilly this morning like this, we're not gonna get good bites. No, normally fish don't bite on cold weather, man. It sucks, but you know. But the bite time is from 6 to 8 today. That's why I'm out here this early. I mean, I could have went anywhere between here and Movavi, but I just chose to come here this morning for some unknown reason. But let's see what it brings. As me reach when I start already, I'm gonna wear my long pants, man. Sure. Alright, let's see what the morning brings. The first cast, Jamaican shore fishing. Drop it like it's hot. See if we have a barra out there that's hot for this lure this morning. The barra hunter. We hunt barras, guys. That's what we do. And snooks and tarpons and all that other stuff. Let's see what the morning brings. See if one of those curious little barras, or big barra even, is gonna grab my lure this morning. Want me to catch a barra? Yeah. But I've done some new ones lately. Done some really good ones. I've caught some 11-pound fish. Yeah, I caught some 11-pound jacks. No, down in St. Elizabeth. And then I came back here again and I caught like a 4-pound snook one day. Yeah. Alright, little fish is jumping, so that means them there. Somebody's hunting.
Only paying kilo sa mira.
Yeah, man. Yo, I roll here, G. Yeah. I go down the line and work my way down the line. Shore fishing here, guys. Was just testing out the water down there. I didn't see nothing chasing. Just messing around to see what's up, guys. Nothing at all. I'm gonna work my way down to that river mouth down that side down there. Shore fishing, I was on the other side over there. And coming over here, this side is closed. I was over here last week. And I'm gonna cross to the other side and see if I can pick something up, but I don't want to get wet, so let's go this way. Let's see if we can pick something up here, guys. Well, see, I didn't want to do that, and I did it anyway. So, let's see what we can pick up here, guys. See a whole bunch of fish running around in here. Hand coats, all kinds of stuff. All kind of activities on the edge of the water, guys. Prior activities and stuff like that. So I don't know what we can pick up here, guys. Let's see what we can pick up. The other day I came up here, guys, there was a whole bunch of snooks under there, but I didn't pick anything up. Let's see what's up. See if we can pick something up here in this. Ooh, got chased. I got a chase. That's good. Chase means action, guys. Oop! Almost hit the tree. Alright, guys. So I'm getting chased, that's good. I wasn't getting chased earlier. It's murky little water, but it's a river and it's still flowing. It's not just completely closed, but it's almost closed. Alright. Head cam was really getting to me here, guys. Battery died on me. I had to do a battery change just now. Let's see if I know I got a chase on a snapper or something, like a mangrove snapper or something a while ago. I'm gonna cast up against those bushes, guys, and work it come down and see if I can pick something up. Ooh, I got hit. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Oh, he came off. Oh, he came off, guys. He came off. Wow, look at that. Go back up there again. Work it back down again, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on this time, guys. Ooh. Fish on. Got you. Snook, guys. Haha. Jamaican shore fishing. Look at this. Got one a while ago, guys. Went back at him again. Got one. Woohoo! Look at that catch, guys. On the lure. I knew it, guys. I knew it. I kind of felt it. I'm like, you know what? Let me work this and go up against the bush and see what I can pick up. And that's what I got, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Look at that. That's what's up. Let me get a picture here, guys, with my phone real quick. Always do this. I don't know why, but good catch. Look at that, guys. On the lure this morning. All right. Well, got him. Let's get the hook out of you. There, come down, you caught, buddy. Hey, Hooked you good. Alright, you're gonna sit there and cool out for a bit. Got me a nice little snook. That's definitely lunch. Yep, he's getting eaten. For sure, guys. I'm gonna cook him up. Have him for lunch today. But let me get my pliers back in my thingy here, which is giving me a hard time here, guys. Get my bag back around. Let's get back to casting. See what we can pick up again. Alright. Let's get back in that bush right there, guys, and work it back down this way. Another one, guys. Woo! Got another jack. Look at that. Got a little jack. Jack got no size regulation. He's getting lunch. That's right. He's lunching up. Got another one, guys. On the lures, he's eating up. Let's get back up there again. All right, guys, let's get up there back again. Right there in the bushes. Guys, that's it. Bite time's over. It is now 8 a.m. I am heading in. I have chores to do and things of the sorts, guys. I already caught lunch. So, this is it, guys. Got me lunch. So I came out to catch me some lunch. So got me some lunch. So now go back in. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. This is what it's all about, guys. Came out, just the rod, just the lure, and decided that we're gonna go catch ourselves lunch. So, fresh caught lunch, nothing better than that, guys. That's what we do. We catch fish, guys. Yeah. Yeah. No, one barra in there, you know. One barra hold on on the line, look while, and he get away from me, look while, you know. Yeah. And I said, John no star, but the bite time are over 8 o'clock. So it's when they're most active. So you see, after 8 o'clock, they now go so active again. So then I slow down now. So catch lunch.